The SE2 will have the same processor and motion sensors as Series 8. So Apple says the SE2 will be 20% faster than the original and will support crash detection. In addition, it will offer high and low heart rate notifications and fall detection, two features that were present in the original Apple Watch SE. However, the SE2 won't have all the Apple Watch 8's tools, like the Apple Watch blood oxygen application. The SE2 also uses second generation optical heart rate sensors, whereas the Apple Watch 8 and Watch Ultra have third generation sensors. The first Apple Watch SE also had an always-on altimeter, compass and fall detection, so we expect that SE2 would too. However, there is no always-on display as can be found in Apple's higher-end smartwatches. The original Apple Watch SE design is basically an aesthetic recreation of the Watch 4. Even though it doesn't pack an ECG reader, it's still more like the Series 4 than Apple Watch 5 since there's no always-on display. The SE2 will look basically the same as the first Watch SE, offering the same display sizes. The screen is 30% larger than the Apple Watch 3. It will be available in 3 colors and has a redesigned back case made of nylon composite materials to match the front bezel. The SE2 will come in 2 sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and will have a retina display with a rated brightness of 1000 nits. It's also water resistant to 50 meters. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.